There he goes. Look at this guy. He's so smart. Birds love French fries. Oh yeah.
Looks like that one just took a dip.
Dude, you're gonna clog up your bird arteries. You have a little bird heart attack. Look at that guy. You think he can even see where he's going?
I think he took a little dip.
There he goes. Here he comes again. The black and blue bandit.
Yeah, get that fry. Get that fry, yeah, get that fry. He's got a fry in his mouth.
I want to see him try to eat that big French fry with that little beak of his.
I think this bird's coming around for a dip. Yeah, he came around. Look at him take a sip of someone's drink.
Here he comes again. Where are you putting it, dude? Oh my word. Somebody better give that guy some Pepto. He's going to be up all night.